Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Uba Hamletson Dohling ubalong UMLA bat Myntri jong sarkar jilla haka arpuway terik ubana jilleu arajar arpuway ula pha daka jingtho sha uprakash javetkar ubadai Myntri jong sarkar pedeng uba petja ka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change halor ka jinga ye ka environmental clearance ye ka star cement na ka benta ban penhe ye ka party motion hadu sapu ar hektar hapo kasnong bridge hernot kabadang ha hapo puru sam jong ke East Jantia Hills District haga jingya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ula ong bakani ke jingpan jing penshai no Myntri ka sarkar pedeng kalong hadin baki ba bat ki seng bhalang kiladep persha ya ka public hearing ne ke jingpen sngo ba kabala de penlong hadu laisin laiwan
hadin bang i ba nakliang jong ka Ministry of Environment and Forest kelai Jingbit ya ka statement bahkan le berpenhe ya ka cakati motion juga hangthi nakliang juga ngalai jing tho saka ministry bahkan perkhat biang ya tu ka parents bakal ai mar ba kum belum mata ki babon ki paiba ki sang malang ki persya ya ka di ka tu jong statement ban penhe tenaga dau ban yada ya ni mariang mak ba fiti bangthi apo brichanan kadang ka wildlife sanctuaries di kisnong di kiba hajan ka wa lukhar dan tu ka serta ya kami mariang tu lor ki berkat ka kerpa di komisi bukan konsider biang ya dika environmental clearance bakal ai saka statement you see that proposed land sought by the statement the villages are very close to the mine and the wildlife sanctuaries Narku wildlife sanctuaries is there and even the river luka also is there. So if mining is going on, so it will destroy all the beauty and spoil the environment in all the surrounding in that area. And number two, as you have seen, all the villages and even all NGOs, they are against this clearance given by the MOEF. So basically, I have written my letter to the ministry to reconsider the certificate issued to the Star Cement. See, I do understand that since public hearing cannot be held in 3 consecutive times, so based on this, I think the DC is cancelled with the Nuclear State Pollution Control Board. So they have written to the ministry that they cannot hold their public hearing. Based on this, so that they give it the liberty to the ministry to give their decision.